to the best of my knowledge, pastas are a dish of comfort, and you should be happy cooking it and happier eating it. Today we're going to feature our Pomodoro sauce, and with that I am not going to do spaghetti because I don't do anything regular on the channel and I think that's kind of boring and plain. Anybody can do spaghetti, anybody can get spaghetti, but what you may not be able to get and you will have to hunt for is Rustichella. Now Rustichella is a trusted and a very good quality brand for pastas, and this specific pasta is called Fusilli Col Buco. I'm not sure if you can see it there on the screen. Now, depending on where you live, you will have to do some hunting for especially the brand Rustichella. As you can see, I have also from them Pockery, which I'm going to use for a different sauce. But you can see the squiggly lines here. I think that this is perfect for catching the lumps of tomatoes in our Pomodoro sauce, and yeah, let it not bleed all over the plate like everybody else plates pasta. You guys might actually learn something today. So pay close attention to the time that it takes to cook your pasta. This specific pasta takes 11 to 14 minutes on cook time. I personally would advise you to undercook your pasta probably about 2 minutes before that optimal cook time, because what will happen is your pasta needs time to carry over and cool down if you're not going directly into sauce. And if you're going directly into sauce like I will be doing today, I would advise you to give yourself room and time to make adjustments, because you will be cooking for more than 2 minutes in that pan to give your pasta the best time possible to be al dente and to come out nice and firm. So without further ado, join me on the stove. Few simple ingredients, excellent pasta. What can go wrong? And if you're feeling fancy, you can always add Parmesan cheese. Let's do a taste test. Make sure that we're on point. That's exactly where we want to be, nowhere else. Yeah, so let's put this on a plate. That's really good stuff. That's really good stuff. As per usual, guys, like, share, subscribe to the channel if you already haven't. If you are a subscriber here, I appreciate you taking the time out to watch this video. Comment down below, guys, please. your favorite sauce, your favorite pasta, or your favorite Italian dish, and maybe you'll be lucky enough that I can make it for you and demonstrate it, and in the process I'll definitely be giving you a shout out. Until next time, Travis Hyman from Hyman's Cuisine, thank you.